Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on tonight to show you something a little different. I have been asked by a couple of people how I store my items for my bags. So I wanted to come on tonight just to show you how I have done that. Right now I am just in our closet. This is how I have stored our items. So when I choose a bag that I'm going to use for the day, I have done that here. This is the bag that I chose to wear for this evening. It is a crocheted backpack. It is again from one of the department stores here where I live. It is a beautiful green with brown straps. It has no outside pockets on the bag. It has no pockets on the back of the bag. As you can see, the strap goes through the center of the bag to tighten and crease the center. It has a one snap closure to keep the bag closed. It is lined inside with a light green fabric. I would not put a lot of weight into this bag. It is just crocheted. So that's the bag that I've chosen to use. So once I have chosen the bag that I wish to use for the day, I come to the cabinet and I open the doors. These are just some sliding doors. And I have everything in here divided by category, so it's easier for me to choose what I wish to use. I have an empty basket on the side, and I will pick up the basket and I will add what I want in the bag, in the basket, to help stay organized and make sure that everything is coordinated. So as you can see, that's the back. I have in the top basket my makeup. This is extra makeup that I have. Some of this you guys have seen before in my previous videos. Some of this is new that you have not seen before. So all the makeup is in here. In the basket below that, I have a miscellaneous basket. So in here I have my Norwex cleaning cloth for my eyeglasses. I have my little electronics case, my bridal survival kit. I also have some stones in here. I have also an extra AirPod case in here. In the basket next to that is all of my hand creams and body lotions that I put in my bags. I also have my nail files in here as well. You'll find band-aids in here. Also, there is some lip balm that should be up here. Just the different hand creams that I have. And I picked up some of these little mini ones today, which are great for smaller bags. Below that, I have my notebooks. I try to put a notebook in every bag that I have. It's great for taking notes, anything I can think of for gifts and things like that. I will always have a notebook with me. In the bottom basket, I have a variety of Kleenex packs and some wet wipes. I also have my mini jewelry box sets here that's travel size. I have my Michael Kors rain guard and just some fabric bags underneath that. In the other side of the cabinet comes with these sliding doors. On the bottom, I have some scarves that I've put in here. This is a bag of my miscellaneous items, and I'll put these into my catch-all. So I have some medication, I have Ultima Pack, I have some gum, mirrors, shelf wipes, Tylenol, Band-Aids, things that you may need when you're in a hurry trying to grab things and put them together. So I will use this, some flushable wipes. So all that goes into this basket. And then if I use a one-time cosmetic bag and I'm putting everything in there and it's kind of my catch-all bag, then I will use a lot of these items. The container here is all keychains, spare keys. Here's another earpod case. I have a mini perfume bottle in here. There's a keychain for my hand sanitizer. Leather tassels that I use for keychains. This is from my Michael Kors wallet that I reviewed recently, that I've put onto my keys. So that's here. I have this one as well that I used on my Canada Day review bag. So I have that in there. In the top basket, I have all of my hair scrunchies. So anything that has to do with your hair, scrunchies, ties, elastics, clasp clips, these rubber silicone hair pretties, I have them in here. I have a little bottle of perfume right here from Coach. All my pens that I collect and have in my bags, I have in a large IKEA container. And as you can see, I have a variety to choose from. Some you've seen, some you have yet to see. So those are all my pens in here. In behind that, I also have some hairspray, dry shampoo, lotion, things I would put in my bag as well. On the top of my cabinet are a few of my favorite bags that I have reviewed already. This is my Coach Tatyum carryall. This is my Guess square purse that I reviewed recently. And this is my Coach Wildflower Rowan satchel that I've reviewed as well. If you have not seen this video or the Guess review or my Coach Tatyum carryall, please check those out. I can link them below for you as well. So when I have chosen my bag, I will choose it. I have a basket that I have on the bottom here. I will add that there. Then I will come to this bag right here. And I will pull this out, choose the bag that I wish to use, and decide if I'm going to use a one-time bag that carries my makeup and everything else I will need, or if I'm going to split it between two bags. So I will choose from here. Then if I choose to use this one is You Look Beautiful. I will take this, put it in my basket, and from here I'll decide if I wish to do pink accessories, gold accessories, white accessories, and I will choose from the cabinet what I have. And that's how I have chosen my things for the day. And you see how they were all coordinated and how they're put together. It's easy for me to find them. This system works really well for me. Once my items are chosen, I will take them and fill the bag. I will also then choose which item I want to use for a wallet. And I have them stored in here. And then as well, if I choose one from here, most of these wallets you guys have already seen already. Some of these you have not. And I'll choose which one I'm going to use for that bag. And then I will put everything together. I will transfer my wallet over. So for this, I've decided to go with brown and gold with the green bag. And then it's very simple to just take everything out and put my bag together. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well. Please share with me how you store your items for your bags and how you choose what you're going to use for the time that you use them. See you soon.